Let's talk about something that might be on your mind, the chance of a global recession happening in 2023 or 2024. Now, don't freak out or click away. I'm not here to scare you or make you feel hopeless. I'm here to explain why I think we should be ready for this possibility and what we can do about it. But first, let me ask you a question. You know what a global recession is? Well, according to the experts at the International Monetary Fund, a global recession is when the world economy grows at less than 3% per year for 2 years in a row. That means total amount of goods and services that we produce and consume in the world is going down or barely going up. And that can have bad effects on things like income, jobs, trade, investment, and living standards around the world. So why do I think there's a high chance of recession happening soon? Well, one reason is based on history. If you look at past numbers from the IMF, we can see that there have been 4 global recessions since 1980. In 1982 to 1983, 1991 to 1992, 2001 to 2002, and 2009 to 2010. That means they happen on average every 7 to 10 years. And guess what? The last one was more than 10 years ago, so it seems like we're due for another one. But history doesn't always repeat itself. There are always other things that could cause or prevent a global recession. You may have heard some of the big banks around the world are having some serious money problems because of bad loans and risky bets. For example, Silicon Valley Bank went bankrupt in March after losing billions of dollars in cryptocurrency gambles. Credit Suisse also lost a lot of money and stock value after SVB's failure. These events could start another banking crisis that would mess up the flow of money and credit in the world economy. Another thing that could cause a global recession is inflation. Inflation is when the prices go up faster than incomes and buying power goes down. Inflation can be caused by different things like too much demand, not enough supply, money losing value compared to other currencies, like when the dollar buys less euro, or other central banks printing more money, like when they try to stimulate the economy. I'm looking at you, America. Inflation can hurt people and businesses by taking away their savings and profits. It can also force central banks to raise interest rates to stop inflation, which could slow down the economic growth. Another thing that could influence the world economy is how well or how badly major powers like China and the US get along with each other, or when it comes to trade issues like tariff subsidies, intellectual property, human rights issues. Trade tensions can reduce how much countries buy and sell from each other, which could lower economic growth and create uncertainty for businesses and investors. These are just some of the things that can cause or prevent a global recession in 2023 or 2024. So what can we do about it? How can we get ready for a possible global recession? There is no easy answer, but here are some ideas. One way to get ready for a possible recession is to save more money and spend less on things you don't really need. This way you can build up an emergency fund that can help you pay for unexpected costs like medical bills, car repairs, and so on. Saving more also reduces your debt, which can make you stronger in times of financial trouble. Another way to get ready for possible recession is to diversify your income sources by having more than one way to make money, such as salary, dividends, interest, rent, royalties. This way you reduce your dependence on one income source, which may be affected by a downturn. A third way to get ready for a possible recession is to invest smartly by choosing assets that match your risk level and time frame goals. For example, some people may prefer safer assets like bonds, cash, gold, while others may prefer riskier assets like stocks and cryptocurrencies. You should always be aware of the pros and cons of each asset and do your own homework before investing. You should also diversify your portfolio by investing in different sectors, regions, and markets. This way, you reduce your exposure to specific shocks that may affect one asset or market more than others. A fourth way to get ready for a possible recession is to learn new skills that can make you more employable, flexible, and competitive in the job market. For example, you can learn new language coding, graphic design, and so on. You can also update your resume and LinkedIn profile to show off your skills and achievements. You can also network with people in your field or industry who can offer you opportunities or referrals. A fifth way to get ready for a possible recession is to stay positive and hopeful. This may sound cheesy, but it's important to keep good mental health and attitude in times of uncertainty and challenges. You can do this by practicing gratitude, meditation, exercise, hobbies. So You can also seek support from your family, friends, and mentors who can offer you advice, encouragement, or comfort. These are some of the ways that I think we can get ready for a possible global recession in 2023 or 2024. Of course, there's no guarantee that a recession will happen or not, but it's better to be ready than sorry. I hope you found this video helpful and interesting. If you did, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.